Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan and today we are going to be unboxing my Medusa's makeup beauty box. This is a vegan and cruelty-free company that has really amazing makeup. So what we got in my box today, first off, is this. It is a lipstick that is in the color Rio. It retails for $12. This is what it looks like. It's very one of those corally orange colors. As you can tell, very pigmented. Go ahead and zoom you in a little. There we go. And now the box retails for $15.95 a month is what the subscription is, and every month you get around 4 to 5 full-size items. This month it is 4 items. The next thing in there is the Stick It primer. Eye primer. This retails for $9. I've already got this on, and I did already kind of going with the whole Medusa makeup theme, using a couple of other products. I'm using the Medusa makeup eyeshadow in Safari Headhunter. This retails for $9, so I have that on my lids already. And I also used the Brow Wow powder. This retails for $12. It's brow and highlighter, as you can see, and I use the highlighter on my nose as well because it is like super intense. And I also use the Medusa Makeup Witch Lash Mascara, which retails for $12, and the baked or mineral blush 6 on the peach that also retailed for $12. So that's what I have on my face that I've gotten in previous boxes. So the next thing in the box is the Totally Baked eyeshadow in the color Radical. And this is what it looks like. This retails for $9, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this on the lid. Alright, and then the last thing that we got in the box, which I won't be wearing because I really don't use glitters all that often, but this is the glitter in Heavy Metal, and it retails for $8. And let's see if maybe, there we go. And I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but it's basically a holographic kind of glitter in the pan there. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, no, it's not gonna focus, but it is pretty, but like I said, it's not, there we go, yeah, not something that I would wear on an everyday basis, but it is definitely pretty. Maybe on like a special holiday, I'll try it out, but we'll see. So the overall retail of the, or the overall value of the box is $38. Again, like I said, it is a cruelty-free and vegan beauty box. So if you are looking to find makeup that is more on the cruelty-free side of things, this is a really nice company to look into. They are very vibrant colors that they use. It's not your everyday natural looking colors. This is definitely going to be for those who like to have that pop of color in their life. So I highly recommend you checking them out and seeing how they are. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so that way you will be reminded the next time I upload. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day. And that's the reason I had already put something else on the lid, because this is a really pretty color, but it definitely needed more to it than just the color itself. So we're gonna let me know when you're done. Are you done? Thank you for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that notification. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, so thank you for watching this video today. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit... Everybody wants to cough right now. Everybody. Alright.